Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll bring another super early high potential airdrop for you. And the name of the project is Sats Terminal. So what do they offer? Basically, you can borrow USDC against BTC at the best available rate in minutes. Why you shouldn't miss this project is because they are backed by top names such as YZi Labs, Coinbase Ventures, and Draper Associates. Right now they have only 21k followers, so we are still joining early. To give you more idea about them, their tagline is get the best Bitcoin backed loan in minutes. So Sats Terminal is a Bitcoin DeFi aggregation platform that lets users easily access decentralized trading, cross-chain bridging, and yield earning services from one place. As for the funding, they have already raised 1.7 million. And also you can see all the investors here such as Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, Draper Associates, YZi Labs, and many more. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for all the latest videos. And most importantly, you must join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto news and airdrop updates. So all links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find the site link. So after landing here, you first need to join their waitlist. So click here, join the waitlist. Then it will ask you to enter your name and email. After that, click here, join the waitlist. Then it will ask you to verify your email. So check your email for the code, copy the code and paste the code here. After that, it will create a wallet for you. After you see the message, your wallet is ready. Simply click on get started. And then you are on their waitlist. Then you will land on this dashboard. So here what you need to do, first scroll down. And here you will find some basic tasks which you need to complete to earn points. All the tasks here are easy to complete. For example, you need to follow them on Twitter. And for that you will earn 5 points. To complete the task, click here on start. Then follow their profile. And come back. And it's verifying. And it's done. Then the same way you can follow on LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. Also, don't forget to join them on Discord. To join the Discord, click here on start. Then accept the invite. Then solve the CAPTCHA. And then click here on verify. And again click this verify button. Then click on continue. And again click on continue. And then solve the CAPTCHA and you will be verified. So you must stay active here on their Discord for roles and all updates. So make sure to complete all these available tasks. Then here you have the content bounty option. So you can make a post about Sats Terminal. And then you need to tag them and submit it. For that you will earn points. So if you make a YouTube video, then you will earn 50 points. If you make an Instagram reel, then you will earn 30 points. If you make a Twitter post, then you will earn 15 points. Also, if you make a LinkedIn post, then you will earn 15 points. Also, here you have the referral bonuses option. You can copy and share this link with your friends. For that, each referred friend will earn you 5 points. Additionally, if you refer 5 friends, then you will earn 50 points, 10 friends for 100 points, and 50 friends for 1000 points you can earn. So here you will see your ranking, your total points, your referrals, and your total completed tasks. And this is the leaderboard section where you can see top rankers as well. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.